Hey guys, guess what time it is? Have you guessed it? It's pumpkin spice time. The leaves are falling, it's crisp, we're wearing sweaters. But this has gotten out of control. We've got waffles, we've got pumpkin spice almonds, we've got swirl bread, we've got caramels, we've got Cheerios, and I've even seen pumpkin spice Spam. How did we get here, people? Well, I'm gonna tell you where it all began, and I'm even gonna tell you how to make it. But first things first, pumpkin spice doesn't have actual pumpkin in it. It's just a mixture of spices. Cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, allspice, maybe some clove, and that's it. And people have been using these spices in combination together forever. We actually have a recipe from America's first cookbook in 1796 that uses them, although they often did use actual pumpkin. Fast forward 150 years to the 1950s when McCormick packaged a pumpkin pie spice blend that contained cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, and ginger. Thanks, McCormick. And then in 2003, we get the big one. We get the pumpkin spice latte from Starbucks. And they have made a lot of money from it. And that brings us to today, where pumpkin spice is everywhere. And I'm gonna show you how to make it yourself so you don't have to give more money to that already booming industry. Start with nutmeg here. Kind of looks like an acorn when it's whole, and you grate it on a microplane. Do not put it in your spice grinder because you will need to buy a new one. Next, we've got cinnamon, which is my personal favorite. It really makes literally everything better. Then we've got ginger here. Ginger is not technically a spice, but it's more of an aromatic. Then we have allspice, and no, it is not a mixture of all the spices, it's actually a berry. This is actually the main ingredient in Jamaican jerk seasoning. And that brings us to our final ingredient in pumpkin pie spice, which is clove. It is optional because it can be a bit overpowering, but now we're just gonna pretty much mix them all together and then you're done. So let's get started. We'll take about a teaspoon of the cinnamon. You always want cinnamon to be your base because it's the best. A half teaspoon of the nutmeg, a half teaspoon of ginger, and then a quarter teaspoon of the allspice and clove. I'm gonna put clove in there because I like it. So here we go, mix them all together. It's not hard. I'm literally creating pumpkin spice magic right now. If you could only smell what I'm smelling at this moment, it is fantastic. Oh my God. You know what? I think I kind of want to add a little bit more cinnamon because that's just how I am. Let's just do it. Look at that. It is so beautifully brown and fantastic. You wouldn't even know. It's so good. Okay. And then of course, you just sprinkle it wherever you want. And whether you love it or you hate it, I think we can all agree that the PSL and pumpkin spice in general aren't going anywhere.